Greetings. Today is Saturday, March 19th. We've had a very cold winter here in Winnipeg, but it's finally letting up. Today it's about 6 degrees Celsius out. So I know it's going to be very wet out today, but it's just so nice out. I have to go and see what the bike trails are like, so time to check it out. Also, I'm very proud of my new rear cassette that is so super shiny, and I got a new chain with it as well, and new brake pads, and I got my bike all tuned up, so I should check out what's going on with my bike as well since the tune-up. It's definitely wet out here, but not as wet as I expected. I've been biking to work this week, and it's been just above zero a couple of days, and that is wet. I've had to like completely wash all my clothes that I was wearing after returning home from a bike ride like that. It was just so wet. So this is actually a welcome change. It's kind of dry. There's water everywhere, but I can go a little slow and not splash myself completely. So it's very nice and so warm compared to how it's been even this past week. Oh, this is also quite nice. Okay, still a little snowy in some spots at those intersections. Welcome to South Point. It doesn't look like they got any less snow than anywhere else in Winnipeg. This is a lot of snow. We're on Stan Bailey. I feel so light. I'm not wearing my usual ski helmet. Drive. Let's try it. It says it's a drive. Don't know where it drives to. The smell of McDonald's. Here we are coming up on the perimeter. Okay, well, I guess I'm going across the perimeter today. Heading out to St. Norbert. The
perimeter is a ring road that runs around Winnipeg. What is this guy doing? Oh, probably worried about flooding. All right, and here we are at the floodway. It's open still for the time being. I'm sure it'll be closing soon. Once everything thaws out a bit more. Let's go see what's going on up there. This is the Red River. And we are now entering the floodway control gates, the bridge over it. This is the view coming up from the south. The Red River flows from south to north all the way up to Hudson's Bay. Here's the view to the north. And there's ice has started to break up here. What's funny though is if you look way in the distance there, you can see people standing on the river, and there are a few ice fishing tents set up as well. Another point of interest along here is a newly built sort of, I don't know what you'd call it, a monument to the floodway. So if you, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a very shallow ramp that you can walk up. I can see a few people walking around on it, or in front of it, in front of that television tower. Well, that's the extent of my journey. Time to start heading home. Just nearing the perimeter highway, but I'm going to take Cloutier Drive and go to the University of Manitoba instead. I'm just coming into the University of Manitoba now. I think I'll go around the whole university, so hanging a right will take me all the way around the backside of the university. So this on the right here used to be my college dorm. It looks like they're building something now. There's where I used to live, right over there on the second floor. It's now part of the School of Music. Still a really nice day out here. I'm now biking right along Markham Road. There's a new bike path right along here that runs right from University Crescent all the way to Pembina Highway. It's just beautiful. While Markham Road still looks like a mess, it's still, I think, it looks like just a dirt road as it used to be. And in this, now it's hived off to the transit way. I think only buses can go on this part of the road. opposite way. Which way to go? Which way? I think I'll just go straight home. This should have better conditions, I think. Fewer snowbanks to ride over. I'm here in front of Clarence Station. I've almost finished my loop. So time to say goodbye for today and see you next time.